So bad. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cuisine, the only cooking show on the internet that gives baked beans the love and respect that they so clearly deserve. This time we're going to try a nice refreshing cocktail, the Beaña Colada. Now I think this is going to be the perfect summer drink. It blends the creamy richness of coconut with the delicious alcohol kick of white rum and the iconic big bean energy of delicious bean juice fresh from the can. So there's a lot of different ways to tackle a piña colada. I'm going to go with the official guidance of the International Bartenders Association. Of course, we're going to switch out the pineapple juice for delicious bean juice. Yeah, this is like manna to me. I absorb this and I instantly power up. Okay, so the light's starting to fade. I'm going to try and just smash this out. Coconut cream, white rum. I think we're going to need it to distract from the horrible bean nightmare that's about to happen. Finally, and I'm going to bring this up close, delicious bean juice. Look at that separation. It's like a geologist's dream. It definitely smells like beans. I'm actually a bit scared to try this. Let's pour a cool one out for the lads. Look at that texture. That's a drink that's going to put hair on your chest. Yeah, I forgot one thing. Reusable straws and the absolute icing on the cake, a bit of potato waffle. Okay, so unfortunately for me, the only thing left to do now is try this monstrosity. Bon appetit. Oh wow, it's got a punch to it. It's so bad. I'm gonna go back for one more try. Ooh. Wow. How to describe this experience? Life-changing. I feel a bit like I've just been punched in the gut. I mean, it's a simple recipe. It's 3 ingredients and you can taste them all. Everything comes through. You know, in a way, it's beautiful in its delicate simplicity. But in another, more accurate way, it's really, really rank. Let's try a piece of waffle dunked in. See if that improves the experience. No. It's worse. How is that worse? Oh. Well, you learned it here. Don't add potato to your cocktails. I mean, this is coming from a bean lover and a waffle lover. Do not try this at home.